Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're the Crafty Sisters. I'm Lainey.
I'm Mia.
And this is our baby sister Emma. She is going to be helping us make unicorn color whipped eggs. Now the ingredients will be in the box description box down below. And so we are going to add. So we're going to open this box. And we are going to dump this whipped powder into the bowl. I got it open, and my little baby sister Emma is going to help me dump it in. Emma, get the bowl closer. Dump it in.
Yeah, and then just like push it down. More down. More.
So now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of water.
Oh, she just started.
Emma, wait.
Strong.
Okay, so we're just gonna stir that for a little bit. Our baby sister left, but so we're going to put this unicorn egg whip into this.
Once it looks like shaving cream, then you're sure to just like.
Yeah, once it looks like this, then
We are going to be adding our colors, and she's going to be putting a turquoise. Now we're going to be adding some pink. If I can add some.
Do you need help?
No. Okay, so we're going to add some pink.
Of this one.
And now we're going to add some purple. This one's really easy, so don't add too much. Have our spoon to swirl. It's so gorgeous, guys. Look at it. Oh, I'm so glad I picked these colors.
The unicorn color whip already came with its own food coloring, as you can see right here, but we decided to use our own because we wanted to make ours a different color. So what we're gonna, we have gloves.
It came with them.
It came with 2, so we only get 1.
So we are gonna have our eggs, and we're gonna just like swirl it in. Boop, 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 boop. Mine's scratching into yours. Get out. And you just want to get all of it. You want to make sure you get all of it covered.
We're going to put these eggs on a baking sheet and let them dry, and we'll get the color of the foam.
Yeah. So I got another egg. I'm just gonna roll that in, roll that in, roll that in. Oh, now it's time to use this glove.
Hopefully we have enough color whip for all the eggs.
All the eggs, yeah. Here is my finished egg that I really like. It's like a sun, and like it's super pretty. I love the color it, and once you just let it dry for a little bit,
Here's
it
mine.
will turn into a very pretty one.
I just want to. We let our eggs rest for about 5 minutes, and then we rinsed them off with warm water, and we dried them, and this is how they turned out. And I'm going to rub some glue on the egg like this. No, I think I want to make it. Okay, I'm gonna make like a little pattern, and then you can just rub that in my egg.
Okay, that's enough.
So now my egg is super sparkly.
Super duper sparkly.
Wow, so pretty.
I like mine. I did the same thing, but I kind of made like polka dots of mine, and it's so.
Look at mine, it's so glittery and blue. Yeah, I did. Our eggs are done, and they are super glittery.
I think I had too much glue on mine.
No, they're really glittery. They're pretty, and we really like them a lot.
They were so much fun to make.
Yes. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, as I said earlier, don't forget to put a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye!
So pretty. Oh, the glue.